I'm super excited to show you this tool that I basically built for myself because I wanted to learn machine learning and data science, and hopefully it could be helpful to you. So the way this tool works is that you ask our AI, what do you want to learn? What's your objective? And then it asks you some follow-up questions. And once it gets all the necessary answers from you, it will generate a full-on learning path so that you can follow along, where it aggregates content from YouTube or different sources online. And it also has a AI generated full on teaching method, which is a text based lesson. You will also get access to an AI tutor. So let's see this in action, right? So first things first, ask me what you want to learn. Let's say I want to learn how to sell online. So it's going to ask me a follow-up question to get so that it gets more granular towards my objective. So I want to sell digital products, for example, a course or anything that's digital. Which aspects of digital product online are you most interested in learning about? So is it creating the digital product itself? Is it setting up an online store? Is it advertising? So let's say I want to jump into advertising strategies and marketing. It's going to ask me what type of digital products are you focusing on. So, as I mentioned before, let's go with online courses. And so, what platform are you considering using or selling the course on? And then you can choose Udemy, Teachable, Coursera, or you can choose other, right? So, for example, other, you could say my own website on Kajabi, for example. And now it's actually generating the course, so it could take around a few seconds, sometimes up to a minute depending on the traffic on the website, but it will generate a full-on curriculum and learning path based on what I answered on this questionnaire. And of course, you can ask it in any language. You can ask it in French, English, Arabic, Spanish, Portuguese. And as you can see now, it actually generated a learning path where there's sections. It's whatever you would actually see on any type of LMS, for example. So you would see a um, understanding digital marketplace, creating compelling content section, effective marketing strategies, because I wanted to focus on marketing, right? And then you can see selecting the right platform, um, selecting the right platform, like what platforms you would sell your course on, and then advanced advertising techniques. So, for example, for the first lesson, it's introduction to digital products. What it did was it aggregated content from YouTube and it ranks them. Some lessons have videos, and some of them will just have text-based, step by step on what you should learn on that specific lesson. So you can see a text-based lesson, and each lesson has a homework because it's very important to focus on homework, right? Because homework gives you step by step what you need to do. You just learned this, go ahead and do it. Because a lot of people just watch YouTube videos and then they're not able to actually understand what they're doing. And one more feature I wanted to showcase is this chat button here. If you open it up, you get a chat input system with the personal tutor, which is an AI tutor. If you ask it, for example, random questions, it will ignore you. It will say this question is out of scope, and basically it's not going to answer, right? Because we wanted the course to actually focus specifically on the lesson. So let's say on this AI bot, I say I want to code an app, which is something that has nothing to do with this course. It will say your question is out of scope. But if I ask what would be the best ad platform to sell on, it will reply with the answer specific to the course, right? So it's going to list you some ad platforms you can sell on. So this is a brief overview of how it works, and this works on any type of things you want to learn. So you also have quizzes under each section where it is based on the section. So yeah, have fun. You can try it out. It's free for now, so feel free to try it out.